Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I will be sharing my shower routine. This video has my body care routine. I will make another video like this for my hair care routine because I thought that if I integrate both of these into one video, it's going to be a very long video. Also, this is something that's a little new for me. I'm not sure how this video is going to perform, but I really want to do something else, something other than makeup. I want to explore the whole lifestyle genre of YouTube and I want to do more videos related to that. So that's enough chatting for me. Let's get into the routine. I want to show you my routine, but I also want to talk about the products that I use because if I don't talk about the products, I don't think the video is going to be helpful for you. The first thing that I like doing is washing my whole body with just water, normal water. I feel that it makes my mind and body ready for the bath. The first step for me is using a body wash along with a loofah. I use a loofah every day because it provides gentle exfoliation and I need to exfoliate my body because I shave my whole body. That's the method of hair removal that I use, and if I do not exfoliate, there are a lot of ingrown hair. Let's talk about body washes. I love trying different body washes, and the body wash that I'm loving right now is the mCaffeine's signature body wash kit. I love the fragrance of coffee. I don't like drinking coffee, but I love the fragrance. Now the mCaffeine signature body wash kit has got 3 variants. There are 3 different types of body washes that you get in this kit: Lattè, Cappuccino and Espresso. All 3 smell exactly like their names. My favorite variant is Espresso, and this is an exfoliating body wash. Now this is something that can be used during summers and winters because it has got this aroma of coffee which is very refreshing, and it refreshes your mind and body in the morning. It cleanses, exfoliates. It is a skin polishing body wash. This body wash has natural AHAs and it comes in this really cute coffee mug. You can open it from here. It has got a small hole from where the product comes out, and this coffee mug is 100% natural and biodegradable. These have pure Arabica coffee, coffee oil and caffeine. Now I like using these in the morning because these add a boost to my morning routine. It also has skin friendly pH. It makes me feel more fresh and less of a sleepy head. You cannot find a better coffee themed product than this in the Indian market. These body washes are PETA certified, 100% vegan and cruelty free. They are also natural and made safe with no nasties. Do not forget to check out their website if you find these coffee themed body washes interesting. You can also use my code Prakriti15 to avail exclusive discounts on their website. This is a unisex product. It can be used by both men and women. And according to me, this is the best coffee body wash. Trust me, you guys will love it. If you've tried it, do let me know your experience in the comments. After the body wash, I do like using this PLUM BODYLOVIN gel body scrub. Now this is a very mild body scrub. It's not gonna exfoliate your skin a lot. I like using this body scrub when I have to shave my skin. Now this is their DRIVIN cherry body scrub and it smells exactly like cherries. If you want to use it as a solo scrub, it's not very exfoliating in nature. It's not going to exfoliate your skin a lot. It's not going to give you baby soft skin. So it's something that you can pair with a body wash, or you can use this if you have sensitive skin. It has got a very gel-like formula and it smells so sweet. I don't like applying body wash on my face. For my face, I have the CETAPHIL gentle skin cleanser. I can use it during winter, summers, any season. This is a really good face wash that works for my skin. It's a really basic face wash and that's why I like it. And that's also the reason why I like using it in the shower. After washing off everything, that is the body wash, the body scrub, I like using a shaving gel and I apply it on whichever body part I want to shave. For example, if I want to shave my hands, I'll just apply the shaving gel on my hands. Now this shaving gel, this is a facial shaving balm. This can be used during shaving and after shaving. This one is from CARMESI. This is a 2-in-1 pre plus post shave. This was sent to me by the brand and I really like it. I also use it on my face and I like using it on my underarms as well. So basically, whichever area you want to shave, you can apply this in that area, but it's meant for face, so you can use it on your face as well. I did shave my underarms in this video because I have to shave my underarms on alternate days. The razor that I used is going to be in the description box. Once I get rid of excessive water from my body, I use a body lotion. During winters, I like using a body oil, but during summers, I like using something that's very light and something that gets absorbed into the skin really quickly. So this is the body lotion that I'm currently loving. I'm about to exhaust it. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Muru Muru Butter and Rose Aroma Delicious Glow Body Lotion. This smells so good. You will not need a perfume after applying this body lotion. The fragrance of this body lotion is very long lasting. It has the fragrance of Bulgarian rose. I absolutely love, I adore the packaging. It's so beautiful. It's very lightweight. It can be used by everyone. It gets absorbed into the skin really quickly. You get 400 ml of product for rupees 500. Now the final product is this ILANA Mighty Mulberry Serum. I don't use any kind of deodorant or any kind of perfume. I only use perfume when I have to step out of the house. Now this is a serum that I like using on my underarms. This has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, pineapple and blackberry. This is basically a lightening kind of serum, so I like using it on my underarms because this has vitamin C, so it does help a little bit with the pigmentation. I like using body mists sometimes when I really like the fragrance of any particular body mist, but other than that, I don't use a body mist daily. I just use the serum on my underarms. And if you have underarm pigmentation, which is completely normal, first of all, it's something that can control the pigmentation in that area. Nothing is going to make it fade away 100% because if you have a skin of color, you will have a little bit of pigmentation in that area. And that's it for this video. That was my body care routine. All the products are going to be linked in the description box. Do not forget to check out the mCaffeine coffee body washes along with all the products. And if you decide to purchase them, you can use my code Prakriti15 to avail special discounts. I love the aroma of these body washes and I know you're gonna like it too. And that's it for this video. Do let me know what kind of lifestyle videos you guys like to watch. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.